how to delete chat history in ChatGPT app. So go to your ChatGPT and you can go to the two lines at the top left hand corner here, and this is going to give you some options and all this stuff. So if you want to individually delete some chats, it's very easy to do. So you can always just click and hold, and then you're going to get some options here, and you can just go ahead and hit the delete button at the very bottom. This can't be undone, so just make sure you understand that. Once it's gone, it is gone. So you can just hit delete, and then it'll get taken out. But if you want to delete all of them, what you can do is just click your name at the bottom left-hand corner here, and then go to where it says data controls. And then from here, you can just hit delete all chats. So you can delete all the chats, hit confirm, and then it is deleting. And it might just take a second, but you'll go back and then all of your stuff will be gone. Your entire history with ChatGPT will be deleted.